Thank you, Dr. Arteel. It's a wonderful presentation. Are there any questions from the audience? Yes.
I think towards the beginning you were saying something about what might mitigate this or inhibit some of this process. I can't remember. So,
Do you know specifically?
was it the mTORs?
mTOR?
Yeah, so, I mean, what do you think in terms of everything that you've discovered now?
So
what the potential is for?
What we know, and yeah, I didn't explain that very well. What we know from the metabolite studies is that mTOR was increased, and also AMPK was increased. And as I said, they should be, well, not increased, they were both activated. They should be activated in opposition of each other. If they are both activated, they are causing, like, the cell to be confused pretty much and causing a, what we call a, what do we call that? What did we say? I can't think of the word. Pseudo-fasted state. So the cell thinks it's fasted, but it's actually not because it has lipids, you know, still as an energy source, but it can't use it. So that's our main hypothesis, that what we are thinking is causing the problem. But we still have to get into that. I was also talking about, you know, that mTOR causes autophagy and may, therefore, no, causes an autophagy inhibition, and therefore the cell is not able to stop some of these processes because it has dysfunctional autophagy. But we're not really sure if that's really panning out the way. We have some trouble figuring out the pathways, but that could definitely be one of the issues, that there's inhibited autophagy, therefore the cell not able to really you know, eat up the damaged parts. It could also go the other way, that there's too much autophagy happening and it's eating up too much of the cell. So any dysregulation is a problem.
Other questions? I was curious, did anything change in Roberttown with this company or whatever's going on there after these studies?
After my studies?
Yeah, or was there any feedback into there? Or
I'm just
people
a little
still
light. I'm not causing enough trouble at the moment. So the thing is with the actual, so what these companies do, they will always bring somebody in and say, hey, this is really not, like for example, my 2 published studies are only on the metabolites, and they will say, oh, this is totally different, this is not the actual vinyl chloride. And my vinyl chloride study is not far enough to really cause anything. But what we do hope is that, you know, at some point, OSHA again steps in and says, hey, 1 ppm of vinyl chloride is not, I mean, over the course of 8 hours a day, is still too high. And that's our ultimate goal, of course. But I think we still have a long way to go for that.
Okay, well, thank you. Thank you very much.